I want to talk today about the future of real estate, that more than the future actually is the real present, and how augmented reality can influence your real estate business, can help you to sell more. So today we'll see the possibilities, how augmented reality can help you do that, and the benefits for your real estate agency. So let's go into the video and let's see already these benefits plus these possibilities that augmented reality offer to real estate. So the first things I want to talk about are interactive 3D floor plans and architectural visualization, because augmented reality can literally replace the classic blueprint. So instead of your customers just visualizing blueprint and how and where the wall will be placed, where they can see directly the apartment, the property, the house in 3D with augmented reality on the blueprint. Or like you can even, like as you see in this video, going into directly the building and show the customer how it will come the property. Second point on how augmented reality can influence the real estate business are immersive virtual property tours. So what consists this basically? Where like your customers also, like with or without you, they can project an entire property in front of them, and they can go inside the property, see the furniture, see how it's built, and then we're going later for this point, but this can help you a lot with your business. A third point instead, virtual staging and customization. So let's say that you're showing your customer an empty apartment. Well, you can use augmented reality to help them visualize that empty apartment with furniture and even personalize that furniture. So for example, they can project in the living room some sofa, dining table, and so on, and changing that the material and whatever they like. So they will be more convinced in buying that space. Oh, by the way, I'm building an augmented reality template for real estate where you can use it to place all your listing or some furniture so that you can use it. If you're interested, just contact me, clicking the link below, and we can talk about it. But then, 4 points is you can use augmented reality as a marketing tool to enhance your brochure experience. And what I mean by that, basically you can place a QR code for every listing that you have in your brochure. So customers will be able to scan the QR code in the brochure and see that apartment, that property, that house on the catalog. Like for example, you're seeing like now in these images. And then I want to talk about all the benefits that augmented reality can have on real estate. So you have wider reach and convenience, because let's say that you have listing and you're using this augmented reality template that I'm building, and you can send this, and it's not neither an application, but it's just this link to your potential buyers, and without them coming into the country to see the property, they can see the property in a real scale where they are. And that will save you a lot of time and get a better quality leads. And then you got a competitive advantage over your competitors, because agencies that using augmented reality as marketing tools see conversion up to 40% more and staging cost reduction of 97%. That's because augmented reality is a helpful tool to help you build trust. And so also your potential client will see directly how the apartment, the house, the listing would come with the furniture or like ambient themselves already in the property, without losing any time from both from your side and their side. Now, if you're interested in know more about augmented reality for real estate, well, stay on the channel, because I'm preparing a video also where I show you the template that I'm building and how you can use it. So see you at the next video.